Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make prawn biryani. Before we look into the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button which is right below the video if you haven't already. Let us take a look at the ingredients. 15 medium-sized prawns cleaned, 2 large onions sliced, 1 medium tomato chopped, 3 tablespoons of mint leaves and coriander leaves chopped, 1 tablespoon ghee, 1/4 lime, 12 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger, and 2 green chilies. Salt as required, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 cups of rice which is already cooked, 2 tablespoons of oil, water as required, 3 tablespoons of curd. Please watch my previous video on how to prepare perfect rice for biryani. Let us first marinate the prawns. Using a mortar and pestle, I am creating a paste of garlic, ginger and green chilies. Add this paste into the prawns. Add salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala and lime juice. Mix everything together and let it marinate for 30 minutes. In a deep pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Once the oil gets hot, add the sliced onions. Let the onions fry till it gets nice brown color. Now add the chopped tomatoes and cook for about a minute. Add the marinated prawns. Add half a cup of water and mix everything well. Close the lid and let the prawns cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep checking in between and turn the flame to low. Add the chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. Mix everything well and let it cook for 2 more minutes. Prawn masala is now ready. Now let's start layering the biryani. On top of a pan, I am keeping the cooker. You can use any thick bottom vessel. First we will add a layer of rice. Then add a layer of prawn masala. Add one more layer of rice on top. Add the chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. The second layer of prawn masala. Finally, add the layer of rice. Add chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. To finish off the layers, add ghee on top. Close the vessel with a lid and keep something heavy on top. Cook with this setup for 15 to 20 minutes. Take off the lid and the biryani is now ready. Serve hot with some raita on the side. For detailed written recipe, check my website. Link is in the description box. If you liked the video, do hit the like button and share with family and friends. Thank you for watching.